Hi everybody, today we are going to paint our own unicorn. So, this is the box. Paint your own unicorn. You will get two pairs of unicorns, then a glue, then some stickers, and a phone to take glitter out of your table. And this is a paint pot. Two paint pots, two paint sticks, and a silver glitter, and star glitters, and gems. So now I'm going to show you an example. Like this one I have painted. So this is an example to show how we can paint. Really, a unicorn's horn is golden. So we are going to open the golden paint. So you'll get a full paint pot with the color. Now we are going to paint the horn like this. Now you're going to dip on your glass. Now I'm going to use a pink paint. You can use any color as you wish. You can paint anywhere. I'm painting heart shape. Next, I'm going to use the blue to paint. Now I'm going to use blue to paint the stars. Now I'm going to put the paint into the pot and I'm going to color purple. I'm going to use purple for the rainbow's top. You can pause the video if you want to paint as mine or yours. Now I'm going to use the green. To paint the unicorns outside the dots. Now I'm going to use the green color for the bumps. going to paint this tail for the unicorn's hoof. Now I'm going to paint orange for the tail. Now I'm going to paint the unicorn's mane light green. I'm painting the back bumps with the green. Now I'm going to paint the back color, the silver in the back. Yes. Now I'm going to paint golden on the other half of the rainbow. Now I'm going to paint the light pink. So everyone, thank you for seeing my channel. So you can decorate anything as your wish. You can decorate these or the gems or the pink glitters or stickers or the glitter if you wish. I'm going to glue these gems. You can glue anything in your unicorn or keep it just as the same. Now I'm going to put the star glitters. I'm going to put glue on its body. I'm going to put these star glitter. Silver glitter on its hair. Now I'm going to add one sticker from here. To stick this rainbow heart. Thank you for watching this video.